Hello sir, how are you? I have this small problem here. See this? You can fix? Oh, he's saying yes. Okay, I'll take it off then. No, only this one. This one here, you see? See this? I want this. How much this cost to fix? Yeah, sewing, yes?
200.
You can do?
200.
200, okay, very reasonable. Okay. Ignore my mosquito bite covered legs while I take my shoe off in this wet ground and just stand like a pirate while he tries to fix it. I'll just hop around. I would like to wander around the area talking to the camera and make a good video for you guys, but I'm kind of like stuck here right now. How are you, sir? Good? You're the shoe fixing man. My country, from Scotland. I'm not going to lean on it. A little bit, I need to lean on it. My country is Scotland. You know Scotland? Whiskey country, you know whiskey? If you know whiskey, you know Scotland. Scotch whiskey. Good. Oh, what is this? A wee doggy? It's your dog? Cat? Oh, it is a cat. I can only see its bum. Okay. Yeah, he's telling me not to lean on this. I know. I need to lean on something, mate. Okay, I'll do this. I'll stand like a Jessie. I'll stand like a Jessie like this. So he's found some black thread. That's good. Oh, he's giving me another shoe to put on. Oh, a slipper. Oh, fantastic. That's perfect, mate. Thank you. Hey, that's better, isn't it? I was hopping around. I was standing on one leg. Okay, so he's going to fix this wee problem that I have. Obviously, it's a tiny wee problem, but something like that can just get worse and worse and worse. And that's a nice pair of hiking shoes I've got there. Perfect for the rough streets of Colombo, actually. So I do want it fixed. I do want it secured so it doesn't get any worse.
You're Dale?
How are you? Yeah, I'm Dale. How are you?
Yeah, I know.
I'm making a little video about getting my shoes fixed in Colombo. I was hiking and the thread pulled out, so I want to get it fixed. This man is fixing it.
I'm watching your video.
You're watching my videos, huh? Maybe you can help me translate. Can you ask him every day how many shoes is he fixing like this?
Around 10 to 15.
Around 10 to 15 every day, and he's here every day.
Yeah,
this is his main job, yeah? Ah, good. How long has he been doing this job?
Around 10 years.
Around 10 years, oh good. And what about you? What is your job? You're not old enough to have a job, right?
I'm still going to school.
You still go to school, yeah? Oh, cool. What are you doing here today?
No, I came to buy a bicycle.
Oh, you buy a bicycle? Oh, a good one.
Yeah.
Better than the one I drove in Batacaloa. You saw that, yeah? That wasn't the best bicycle, was it? You're going to get a good one.
Yeah, I'm going to get a mountain gear.
Oh, one with gears and everything, yeah? And you're going to ride it where? Around Colombo or?
No, around my hometown area.
Your home? Where's your hometown?
Morotua.
Oh, okay, that's kind of far from here, right? Yeah.
Around 22 kilometers.
Yeah. So you just came here just to buy the bike?
Yeah, yeah.
And you came with your father or you came alone or what?
No, this is one of my friends.
Oh, this is your friends?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, pleased to meet you. My name Dale. Ah, okay, so you came to help him buy the bike. Okay, I'm just looking kind of stupid here, but I'll look much better when I have a decent pair of fixed, perfect shoes.
Bye.
Okay, good luck with your bike.
Yeah,
I hope it's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, see you. That's nice, having somebody to help translate. Anyway, we'll see how this guy's getting on with the shoes. I thought he was just going to run a bit of thread through it, but he's got all sorts of, he's got glue and he's making little holes and he seems to know what he's doing. That looks well secured. Oh, very good.
Very good.
So he's glued it and sewed it. Double secured. Fantastic. Is it dry?
Aye.
Okay, I think we're going to have to wait for it to dry a bit. But I can probably wear it in the meantime. Let's see. He's saying no touch it, yeah, because the glue's still drying, yeah. But I can wear it, right? I think I can wear it. Okay, looks good. Okay, he's going to help me tie it since I'm one-handed. A lot of you in the comments are like, tie your own laces, Dale. Who do you think you are, getting the man to tie your laces for you? Look, I have one free hand. It's difficult vlogging and doing stuff at the same time and trying to keep the video entertaining while you're stuck in one spot. Okay, so we're in Peta. Actually, this is where I've done previous market videos. So you fixed it for me. Look at this. Oh, extra attention to detail, tucking the laces in for me. Oh, nice man. Fantastic, my friend. So that's done, yeah? How much? 200, yeah?
Aye.
Okay. Here's a wee tip for you. Take 500. Okay. Have a nice day, guys.
Okay.
See you. Okay. Thank you. And you. Thank you. Have a nice day, my friend. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. That's nice, isn't it? That's the kind of service you want. You wouldn't be able to do that in the UK, in Scotland. If I wanted my shoes fixed, I'd probably ask my mum, actually.